These are Russian sweets. The Kremlina sweets. It's fruits in chocolate or cacao coating. They are really fresh, made of 9 January 2024. This is 1 kilo. 1 kilo of sweets. Let's open it up. Kuraga. It's apricot. No? Шоколадная. This is Kuraga. I think that's how it's pronounced. I think the contents, there is chocolate, I think, cacao. It's really bright. It's the website information. Okay, so there is apricot. Let's see. This is a really nice one. Actually, apricot is my least favorite one, and this is probably my favorite. Finik Kremlina. Шоколадный. This is a date in chocolate. It's really tasty, this one. Dates in, there's one date in chocolate. This, I have mixed feelings about this one. I'm not sure if I like it or no. I like figs, but not in this. And this is incir. This is the fig. Contents went further. Okay, it doesn't matter anyway. It's probably full of kind of replacement for chocolate. Not real chocolate, but I think these two are my favorite ones, but probably the plum is really my favorite. This is plum. The plum is really delicious. Chernosliv. Chocolate. Yeah. And I think those are the types. Yeah. Okay, so we could try to open them up. See what's... Oh, I want to start with not this one. Yeah. I want to start with my least favorite one. Apricot. Apricot is really the least favorite. I can just open it like this. Okay. Looks like real chocolate. Nice package. And this seems to be aluminum foil. So let's see. Hard shell. Opening Russian apricot sweet. Okay. The quantity of fruit is pretty substantial, so you get a lot of fruit in it. Let's try to taste. It's some simple chocolate. Okay. Nice rolls. A really good quantity of fruit inside. Actually, they're not as bad as I thought. Okay. The same style of chocolate. This one was a bit rolled, and this edge here got caught without being rolled. Interesting. So let's cut it in half. Yeah, this is not the best chocolate, but it's pretty nice. And mixed with the fruits, it's really delicious. Oh yeah. It's like a fruit puree in here. Yeah, the fig it almost feels like it has stones inside. So I don't know. Okay, let's... This is the date. One of the best. The date is really delicious with this chocolate. The chocolate is a bit like dark chocolate. It's not very milky. More like cacao. Interesting pattern where they keep them. in this piece extra. Okay, let's see what's inside. They pretty much look the same. I thought actually there's a whole date inside, but it's puree, date puree, fruit. Let's try. The date is really good. Wow, it's delicious. And the plum is a bit squished. Yeah, the plum got a bit hit in the transport. I had them with me, so okay, let's see. Plum is falling apart. This is the best one, but it doesn't really matter how it looks like. All that matters is the taste. Again, this fruit puree. I like the taste of plums, but I don't know. This one. Out of these ones, the date is the best one and the plum. But I think the date is really the best one. So, yeah. Dates are really so simple, but they're so simple but so nice, so tasty. Thanks for watching. There's a plum that is not squashed. Still a bit squashed. Looks like plums in this batch, they got squashed. They look, actually the color doesn't really change much, but it's real fruit inside, not replacements. Real fruit. Yeah. Yum.